Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your speaker Edifier D32. You have to start by open Edifier Connect app. Of course you need to add your speaker to the application. And then you will see the same menu. Click at the sound effects, and right here, as you can see, we have no bass boost preset, so we need to create it. Go to the customized, click again, and now right here for 62 we need to use a maximum, right here just on 4, then 1K and 4K we just leave it here on 0, and for 8K we use -1 and -2 for 18K. Now let's rename it, so click More, Rename, and let's call it Bass Boost. Save. Did I call it Bust? I mean Bass. Okay, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!